Hi guys, today I want to talk about treating your skin from the inside out, and I guess what's my whole philosophy behind skincare. So first, I'm going to introduce myself. I'm Madeline. I'm the owner and founder of Sparkle Lifestyle and Medi-Spa, a medical aesthetic practice in Moncton, New Brunswick. And for people that knows me, know that actually my background is in nutrition. My degree, I went to school as a nutritionist, and I always been fascinated by the human body, how it works, how it can heal itself. I think it's crazy, it's amazing. That's my passion. Life brought me into the medical aesthetic field, but it never really been something that I thought I would do, right? I got fascinated when I learned that your skin pretty much needs the same thing as your body, okay? So that's why I love approaching the skin in a really inside-out approach, because technically your skin is a reflection of what's happening inside of your body. So if you eat well, if you treat your body right, if you put the right ingredient in your body, well, technically your skin would be just a reflection of that. So when it comes to skincare, yes, you need to wash it. It's really important because you have pores and you want to clean it. The first thing that I strongly believe would be antioxidant. Antioxidant are the thing that will actually fight the free radical from pollution, from the sun, causing cancer and all that. Because you heard about like you should eat berries and like dark leafy greens and all that good stuff in your body, but it's the same thing for your skin, right? If you put the antioxidant on your skin, you're going to fight all those and prevent aging and boost collagen and elastin. So that's why antioxidants are essential in your skincare regimen, but also in your diet in general. So, and when it comes to diet or nutrition, I would say that berries, dark leafy vegetables, those are the good thing. Tomatoes, really, really important in your nutrition plan. The second would be, like the oil production. Okay, and that's why I'm a big believer in omega-3, and I think they are essential for your skin in general. So omega-3 will reduce inflammation, reduce redness, really help with the natural oil production of your skin, elasticity, collagen boosting, elastin, like such a good ingredient for your skin in general, but your body, I mean, that help you focus more. It prevent, joint pain, like cardiovascular health. So yes, it's good for your skin in general, but when a product reduces inflammation on your skin, it also reduces inflammation in your entire body. So omega-3, I love it. I think everybody should be on a good supplement of omega-3. I use Ben Skincare. I love it. The concentration are perfect. They also have antioxidant, vitamin D in it. So it's just like kind of one supplement that do it all. So for my beauty from inside out. So that's a good recommendation. Another supplement that I love is probably vitamin D. I found like vitamin D, we don't have it enough here in Canada. And it's super important. I mean, don't go in the sun until you burn, but I mean, if you just go a couple of minutes here and there, it's actually good for your mood, for your stress level, for cortisol, and it's really good for you. So vitamin D supplement, or just here and there, go for 5 minutes, and actually using an antioxidant on your skin and a product like Ben will actually help your natural like protection against the sun, so you won't burn or you're not getting like the bad side effect of the sun. But again, if you're going in the sun for more than 5-10 minutes, you need to have a sunblock. That's essential as zinc oxide, and I'll do another video about that because that's essential. Other thing that you should be doing to really help your body is definitely drinking water. People don't drink enough water. So you should be drinking at least a minimum 2 liters of water every day. And that's a really a minimum. I strongly suggest between 3 and 4 liters a day, especially if you are active, if you drink a lot of coffee, if you're outside in the sun, like that can go up to 4 liters. That's really, really important. That's how your body thrives, because if you're not drinking enough water, your body needs it no matter what. So your body will take that water coming from your skin, from other places. And yeah, if you're trying to have like a nice skin, glowing hair, long hair, strong nail, you need to be drinking enough water, because it's essential for your body, to thrive. Then sleep, stress, all that. That's another huge factor that needs to be addressed. You need to start sleeping better. You need to take care of you. You need to find ways of reducing stress. That's essential, because that's how your body heals itself. That's how you recover. That's how, it's so important. So I would love you to comment below this video. What's your biggest struggle around all this? What's the one that you need to work on today? And just comment and let me maybe help other people help you. So have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.